The two Venetian towers, together with the Teatre Grec and Poble Espanyol, were built for the 1929 Universal Exhibition in Barcelona by the Catalan architect Ramon Reventós and were designed to frame the entrance to the International Exhibition of Puig i Cadafal, a complex of symmetrical buildings with respect to Avinguda de la Reina Maria Cristina. Although the towers had a purely monumental function, during the exhibition, the West Tower was used to regulate the light and water of the magic fountain of Montjuic, while its twin was used to host the Sirens of Alert. Nowadays, one of the towers remains open to the public, while the other one not only fulfills its original function of controlling the source, but also hosts the communications facilities. Its construction consists of a square floor of 7.2 meters on both sides and a height of 47 meters to the roof. The towers have a base of parameters of light reinforced concrete ashlars with a slightly sloped artificial stone finish. Separated by a single molding, we find exposed bridge shafts that has the three supports on each side, forming a relief in the form of a grooved pattern that gives thickness to the wall in order to contribute to the bracing and provide stability to the outer face of the tower, acting as buttresses. A wide cornice supported by stone corbels separates the shafts from the upper box, formed by a series of Corinthian columns of artificial stone which are solved with a solid parallelepiped pillars at the corners. Finally, we find a gabled roof built on a metal structures of copper plate cladding. Once inside the tower, it's invigorating the empty space that is generated due to the height and width of the floor, accompanied by a perimeter scales of Catalan vault that allow us to access the highest point. Along the route, we find narrow and elongated openings that from the outside emphasize the verticality of the towers and from the inside allow us to relate the nearest environment, while offering an interesting play of lights and shadows which change throughout the day. The choice of low-key materials composed by brick masonry walls were thought so that the towers could be demolished when the exhibition was over. Following the decision to keep them standing, the towers have undergone a couple of restorations to replace the original slate roofs after detecting dangerous damage of the stone from both towers.